A very good morning, children. We are starting with a new chapter, Concepts of Revenue. We have finished the concepts of cost. Okay, so the same thing in the previous chapter, you have studied about cost. In this particular chapter, you're going to study about revenue, the different types of revenue, marginal revenue, average revenue, total revenue, and so on. Okay, now what is revenue? The revenue of a firm is its sale receipts or money receipts from the sale of the product. Okay, so definitely whatever the company or the firm sells outside the products, okay, and whatever the money and the receipts what the company gets, it's nothing but as revenue. Okay, now coming to the formula, revenue is nothing but cost plus profit. Okay, and profit is revenue minus cost. So when you incur the cost while making a product, and when you have a profit of yours, and that is nothing but the revenue. So revenue is inclusive of cost and profit. Okay, and cost is nothing but the cost you incur in making the product, and profit is the amount which you want to include as a certain percentage of your revenue. So cost plus profit is revenue. Now coming to the different types of revenue: total revenue, marginal revenue, and average revenue. Now total revenue is total revenue refers to money receipts of a firm from the sale of its total output. It is estimated as total revenue is price into quantity. As you have the total cost, like when you add up the total cost of every unit, you get the total cost. Likewise, the total revenue is the money receipts of a firm from the sale of its total output. So if output is 100 and price is 100, then total revenue is 10,000. Okay, so total revenue is when you sell the total output of yours and you get the money, and that becomes your total revenue. Coming to the marginal revenue, it's the additional revenue by selling one more unit of a commodity. Okay, so it's the change in total revenue when one more unit of a commodity is sold. As I always tell you, marginal is nothing but additional. So marginal revenue is the extra revenue what you get by selling one more unit of a commodity, and we all know that marginal revenue is TRN minus 1. Okay, now coming to another type of revenue, that is average revenue. Now average revenue refers to the revenue per unit of output. Okay, so average revenue is total revenue by the quantity. So as you have the average cost, total cost by quantity, average revenue is how much revenue do you earn per unit of output, and AR is nothing but TR by Q. Okay, so these are the different types of revenue. Fine. Now coming to the example, children, as you can see this particular table here, you have the output, you have the price, you have total revenue, you have marginal revenue. So the output is 5 units, 1 2 3 4 5. The price P equals to AR. Please remember this, because this is going to help us in the in further chapters also. So always remember that price is nothing but average revenue, and average revenue we know that it is total revenue by quantity. So average revenue is nothing but the price. Okay, so average revenue or the price is 10. Okay, it's constant for all the units. Total revenue is average revenue into quantity, so it's 10 20 30 40 50. And marginal revenue, it's the extra revenue what you're getting. So first it's going to be 10 only, then 20 minus 10, 30 minus 10, so it's constant. So from this particular table, what do you understand? That if AR is constant, then MR equals to AR. So as you can see here, that AR is constant for all the units, then AR equals to MR, because MR is also 10 for every unit, and AR is also 10. So from this particular table, you understand the relation between AR and MR, and also that AMR is simply an addition to TR. When one more unit of output is sold or produced, we know that MR is the additional to the total revenue when one more unit of a quantity is sold. Then in case price is constant, implying that AR is constant, then MR is also constant, which means AR being equal to MR. Yes, we have seen this. If AR is constant, then MR is also constant, which is 10 10 10 10 10. right? Now constant MR implies constant addition to total revenue when an additional unit of a commodity is sold or produced. This implies that TR will increase at the constant rate. Okay, so when constant MR implies constant addition to TR, so you can see here there is constant MR 10 10 10, so the addition to TR is also constant. 10 20 10 we have added, 20 30 10 we have added. So that means with every additional output, the TR is also the TR is, though it's increasing, but it's increasing as a constant rate. Okay, so this is the relationship between TR and MR and AR. Okay, so just go through all the different types of revenue, children, and please go through this particular table also. Okay, so this is it for this class. Thank you.